Hi there, students. A ruse, a countable noun. I think you might be able to use it as an uncountable noun, but I don't think it's very common. Okay, a ruse is a trick. Yeah, a trick intended to deceive somebody. So I used a ruse to gain advantage. A ruse, a clever trick, a crafty stratagem. Yeah, something that's intended to mislead somebody so that you can do something else. He used a ruse to get into the building. Okay, a trick, an action intended to deceive. Yeah, we needed a ruse to get him to come to the party without suspecting. Okay, a plan or a trick. Yeah, some sort of ploy. Okay, this was a ruse to misdirect everybody. I guess a magician uses ruses so that people think one thing is happening when another. I think a ruse is particularly common in games of strategy. I think you could even have a ruse de guerre, where you are trying to trick your enemy and gain advantage by doing something else. Okay, so it's a ruse is a trick. Yeah, an action intended to deceive somebody, a stratagem. Yeah, using guile and trickery. Okay, and this is the idea of a ruse, a tactical maneuver, a dodge. Yeah, some sort of sleight of hand, subterfuge. Yeah, or just a trick. Okay, so a ruse. I think if you're playing games, you need ruses. Make your opponent think one thing and then do another. As to formality, I think I would probably give this ruse 5.5 in formality. I think you could use it in an informal conversation, although I think you might say trick. Use it anywhere. And then as to origin, well, it definitely comes from the French word ruse, a trick, or trick, cunning, guile. Yeah, ruser, to use cunning, to be crafty, to be tricky. Okay, so a ruse, a trick, a way of gaining advantage over your opposition. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A cunning ruse.